Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Cody. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to tell you about the Cordilla Cruises. I have already made a video on a Cordilla Cruises. After Jalesh Cruises shut down their business because of this pandemic, now the Cordilla Cruises is #1 premium cruise line in India. Now, I personally called up Cordilla Cruises and got the email address for you where you can go ahead and apply for a job on a cruise ship of a Cordilla Cruises. Now, I'm going to tell you the email address at the end of this video. Now, I'll give you more information about the Cordilla Cruises. Now, Cordilla Cruises announced that they're going to start sailing from this 14th of September, this 2021. If you want to go on a Cordilla Cruises for cruising, so you need to shell out at least 25,000 if you are going single for 2 days, 2 nights. If you are going as a couple, the same cruising will cost you 35,000. So I would request you go as a couple. You can take a guy also. It's not like you need to go with a girl only. So this is the basic cabin you'll get. No sea view cabin. Alright. Now coming back to the very important point, the email address. So note down the email address. This is the email address. opportunity@cordillacruises.com. Now this is the email address where you can send your resume and apply for a ship job. If you are selected, they will personally going to give you a call or revert back on your email address. So guys, this was the update coming from the Cordilla Cruises. I will see you in my next video. I hope you like this video, so please hit that like button. So bye then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.